Imagine being able to translate your videos into over 150 different languages using natural-sounding AI voices that actually match your original tone. In this video, we're looking at CAMB.AI, a powerful localization platform that is changing how creators and brands share content globally. Whether you want to reach new audiences on YouTube or translate live broadcasts, this tool is built to make the process incredibly easy. So, what exactly is CAMB.AI? It is a full-stack localization infrastructure designed to translate and dub your videos. It's trusted by massive global brands, including IMAX, the Australian Open, and Major League Soccer. It even powered live multi-speaker Italian commentary for League One football fans. At the heart of CAMB.AI is their advanced Mars 8 text-to-speech engine. This family of models, including Mars Flash and Mars Pro, is built to deliver low-latency, highly expressive, and production-grade voice output rather than the robotic voices we're all used to hearing. When you log into the platform, you'll find two main ways to dub your content depending on your needs. First, there's DripStream, which is designed for real-time live dubbing. This is perfect if you are live streaming and need instant translation for a global audience. Second, there's Drip Studio, which is built for pre-recorded, on-demand videos. With Drip Studio, you get a full workflow to edit and perfect your recorded content. On top of dubbing, CAMB.AI also offers live subtitles, image translation, and AI sounds to make your localized videos feel completely seamless. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Because this is a highly specialized tool, public user reviews are currently limited, so we don't have a massive library of everyday user feedback to share just yet. However, the clear pro here is the sheer quality and speed of their Mars 8 models, alongside the security of enterprise-grade SOC 2 Type 2 certification. On the downside, because CAMB.AI is a highly advanced, full-stack platform built for both creators and major enterprises, the variety of features might feel a bit overwhelming if you are just looking for a basic one-click translator. Getting started is simple. You can head over to CAMB.AI and sign up for free to test out their studio. From there, you can upload your video, choose from over 150 target languages, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. It's an incredibly powerful way to scale your content and connect with viewers worldwide. If you're ready to try it out, visit CAMB.AI today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let us know in the comments which language you are going to translate your content into first. See you in the next video.